Welcome to our channel. Today we're trading cobblestones for ancient ruins and hopping from charming cafes to sun-kissed beaches. That's right, we're taking you on a journey through the top places to visit in Greece. From the Acropolis of Athens to the volcanic beauty of Santorini, we'll be your guide to the history, culture, and natural wonders of this Mediterranean gem. Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's dive in. Our first stop is Athens, the historic capital of Greece. Strolling through the bustling Plaka district, the air thick with spices and bouzouki music, you stumble upon ancient ruins, remnants of a glorious past. And then, the Acropolis, atop a rocky hill, crowned by the Parthenon. Athens captivates your senses. Next, we're whisked away to Santorini, an island born from fire and sculpted by the sea. Imagine whitewashed villages clinging to volcanic cliffs, their blue-domed churches reflecting the Aegean Sea. Wander through narrow, winding streets, the air filled with bougainvillea and distant laughter. As the sun sets across the caldera, you witness a breathtaking sunset. Santorini is a place of contrasts: black volcanic beaches, whitewashed houses, and the deep blue sea. Feel the energy of Mykonos, where ancient myths meet modern revelry. Stroll through narrow streets, a charming maze of whitewashed houses and vibrant bougainvillea. As the sun sets, beach clubs pump music, and tavernas offer fresh seafood and local wine. Whether seeking adventure, relaxation, or luxury, Mykonos has it all. Prepare to be enchanted by Crete, Greece's largest island steeped in myth and legend. Explore the ruins of Knossos, the ancient Minoan palace where kings and queens once ruled. Hike through Samaria Gorge, a natural wonder with rugged mountains and wildflowers. Crete's diversity spans soaring mountains, fertile valleys, dramatic coastline, and pristine beaches. Prepare to step back in time at Delphi, once considered the center of the ancient world. Imagine this: you're standing amidst the ruins of the Temple of Apollo, feeling the weight of history upon you. As you explore the ancient theater, carved into the mountainside, you can picture the crowds gathering to witness the great plays of Sophocles and Euripides. Delphi is a place of profound spiritual significance, where the ancient Greeks sought guidance from the gods. Get ready to be transported back to the Middle Ages in Rhodes, an island ruled by knights. Imagine walking through the grand gates of the Old Town, its walls whispering tales of sieges. Enter the palace of the Grand Master, hear the clang of armor and courtly intrigue. Explore ancient ruins, relax on sun-drenched beaches, savor Greek cuisine. Prepare to be awestruck by Meteora, a place where spirituality meets natural grandeur. Imagine this: you're gazing up at towering rock formations, their peaks crowned with ancient monasteries, seemingly suspended in mid-air. Stepping inside one of these monasteries, you're greeted by the scent of incense and the soft glow of candlelight, transporting you to a world of quiet contemplation. Whether you're religious or not, you can't help but be moved by the serenity and tranquility of this extraordinary place. Our final stop takes us to Corfu, an island of lush green landscapes, Venetian architecture, and captivating history. Imagine strolling through Corfu town, its pastel-colored buildings reflecting Venetian heritage. Explore the old fortress, perched atop a hill, echoing centuries past. Corfu contrasts lively resorts, tranquil villages, ancient ruins, and Venetian fortresses. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of Greece's top destinations. From the ancient wonders of Athens and Delphi, to the breathtaking beauty of Santorini and Meteora, we've only just scratched the surface of what this incredible country has to offer. Subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Until then, happy travels.